Just got this rear axle on the lathe, try and shrew it up and make a recess for the sprocket. Nice. Bad timing there, Joel.
Sorry.
Alright, we've got lathe cam going on now with this GoPro 9 that I haven't even paid off yet. Oh, that's legit as. I've welded this piece on. This is going to be the, I'm extending the pivot point out so the swing arm doesn't twist up. I know it looks pretty poo-rangy right now, but I'll fix it up, smooth it off and whatnot. But I have to make this side different because otherwise the axle's not going to go in right. Almost got that wrong. So what you do, I'm just making a little tab here that's removable. So what you do is you stack them on top, tack them together, drill through at tapping size. So the tapping size is 8.5, I'm just drilling her out to a 10mm because I know for a 10mm bolt it's going to be a nice tight fit. And there we go, perfectly lined up. I'll just give it a linish up now, make it more pretty. Okay, got that part tacked on so the axle can come out there. That just bolts up out of the way. And I've showed you got this side sorted. And then I started putting these braces in here to stop the twisty action going down. So yeah, it's a bit of a crazy looking swing arm, but I'm kind of feeling pretty confident that it's going to work now and not twist in half. So I've got to make mounts for these on the buggy obviously, but I'll have to fit it all up and try that out later. First I'll take it to bits and weld it off at work. Just cleaning up the swing arm, show you my new invention, the combination grinder. You grind with this. Then you can wire blast with this. Oh yeah. Okay guys, it's welded, it's grinded, it's painted, it's assembled. It's almost ready to put over there onto the buggy. Oh my goodness guys, check out this stupidity I did. So this won't go in because of this brace I made here. No way that's going in, so I've got to cut that out now. Stink. Oh yeah, first try. Okay, she's sitting on all four wheels for the first time. Cool. Now I'm going to get it over to the shed and see if I can fix all up. Put the exhaust on, put the brakes on, put the first chain on. See, it's a suspension. See, it's heaps harder than it was. Maybe it's sitting a little bit high at the back, but I can always change that. Now, because of my stupid design, the brake caliper won't go onto this jack shaft when it's in there because it can't fit past. So I've got to take this out to get that other chain on, put the brakes on, but then to get that out, I've got to undo this bolt, so I've got to take the tyre off again to get that out. Alright, that's back together. That was an absolute mission. And the bro circuit pipe fits straight back on. See if it starts up, eh? Wow, that's not bad for being off for probably 6 months. Okay, so I've still got to go to work and make these pivot points up so that it doesn't twist the swing arm off. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so I've got a scale model of the buggy here. So what could happen is if you hit a jump and land on an obstacle, that whole twisting force is going to be on that swing arm and frame. So that's why I'm so worried about putting an extra pivot point on to stop that braking. The lawn's just recovered from the trike skids.
Mum's gonna growl you for all this.
So better not do anything, and also that thing with the swing arm. Just kidding. It's running terrible, guys. Well, I tried to drop the clutch there to see what would happen, and nothing good. So it just sheared through the whole pipe, bent the bolt, and it's fallen out. This bolt's still in, so it must have sheared the inside of this pipe out. So that idea is never going to work. So back to the drawing board on that. Well guys, sorry that was so lame. I wanted to come in and do a sweet donut, smash that cabinet, and it was going to be all good, but nah. It's running real bad. It's probably got water in the fuel, and also the axle's broken, so I'll have to fix that up for next time, along with doing some other things. Got an idea of how to fix this axle. I've drawn something up here on the computer. So what I've already got here is a bolt sticking through the whole lot. This is the outside pipe and this is the inside pipe connected to the hub, but it's spinning, tearing the bolt out. So what I was thinking is cutting half of this pipe off and welding it inside. Do you think that's going to work, or is it going to twist off? Leave a comment. If it all doesn't work, I'll just weld that from there to there, and then I can't get the bearing off, but who cares. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.